All right, Waffles, you ready to do the how-to?
Hell yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, cool. Sweet Jesus, no, not that kind of mask, Waffles.
You gotta be more clear about these things, man.
God, you know I hate Simmons.
I love him.
3, 2, 1, go. Hi, I'm Tyler.
And I'm Waffles.
And this is How to Mask in Premiere, or just in editing in general.
So Tyler, how can I use the magic of mask editing to hide my crippling shame from the world?
Well, while you can definitely use masks to deal with whatever's wrong with you that we definitely don't have time to get into,
A lot of self-loathing, lack of overall
we
confidence.
also have plenty of other fun and effective uses when trying to add, remove, or even just adjust parts of your overall video.
Oh God, Tyler, what's happening to me?
Masks.
I hate it!
What a mask does is isolates a portion of the video, image, whatever you're playing with, and makes sure that it is the only part that is affected by your adjustment. What I just did to make Waffles all trippy was to draw a mask around his body so that I was unaffected by the changes. Let's dive a little deeper into how that can and should work. You all right, Waffles?
I'm good, just please don't do that again.
No promises.
What?
Masks are pretty universal across any video effect you're planning to use. Opacity is already an option listed here under the applied effects, but if you drag and drop any number of effects, they should each come with their own masking option.
The symbols underneath stand for your options of mask shape. You can create a circle, rectangle, or use the pen tool to free draw your mask around your subject.
Once you've made your mask, you have a few tools to adjust it. Mask expansion will change the size, the points on the mask will change the shape to contour to your focus, and the feather tool will blur or sharpen the edges of your mask. You can also click anywhere on the edge of the mask to make a new point to drag from.
It's also important to note the inverted button here. This will allow you to remove the selected portion as opposed to saving it.
You're also capable of making multiple masks on the same layer, but know that if you invert any of them, it will negate all other masks.
In the example of opacity, the important thing to note is layering.
Depending on the desired result, you will most likely need something to go in the place of whatever you're removing from your visual.
In an instance where you want something to be naturally removed, you'll want to have an extra layer of the background without your subject in frame.
For this example, we took a still frame of our wall without us, so when we remove Waffles' face, it looks fairly natural.
Why are you doing this to me?
Similarly, if we wanted to use something completely different, we can add a different image to fill the void we created with our mask, like adding this Gobi Jerboa in Waffles' chest.
Oh, what the is that? It's so cute. Get it out of me!
Another important thing to know is how to mask a moving target.
Please, Tyler, I can't take much more of this.
Take this blur on Waffles, for example. As you can see, no matter how much he tries to avoid the blur, it can follow him wherever he goes.
Why is this happening to me?
This can be achieved the long way, creating keyframes yourself.
Check out our previous videos on how to keyframe!
Or the much easier way is to hit the play button right here. Premiere will do its best job to track whatever it's currently focusing on, so you don't have to manually do it.
Oh, we're done, right? Oh, thank God.
And those are just some of the ways to use masking. It's important to note that masks can correct things in post if needed, but they can't perform magic. You're only able to do so much after the fact, so try to plan out your shots ahead of time to make your editing life easier.
Get plenty of B-roll and plenty of revenge!
It tickles!